this video, we're going to cover why should you invest in your employees. As the usual story goes, a CFO asks the CEO, if we invest in our people and they leave, then? And the CEO said, if we don't invest in our people and they stay, then. So today I'm going to talk to you about my experience of why you should invest in your employees. The story goes way back in 1997. I started working for an IBM business partner called Lauren Information Technology. I started there as a senior marketing executive selling laptops, desktops, and softwares. I barely was doing probably a lakh and a half every month. Okay. That was the time when our CEO, Mr. Rollin Pinto, happened to go to US, and along with him he got Brian Tracy's The Psychology of Selling Cassettes. Now that particular point of time, every Monday we had a sales meeting, and after the sales meeting, he actually used to play in the conference room one side of the cassette and then make us reflect and ask us what did you learn and how you're going to be implementing all of these learnings. Every Monday he used to do this session with us, and that's how we started getting ideas, perspective, tools, insights of how we can start getting better and better and better. That's how my learning journey started, my dear friends. And then over a period of time, I started becoming better and better and better. After a couple of years, I also became one of the first IBM solution sales specialists in the entire country. I also happened to train two of my executives to become the IBM solution sales specialist in the Western region. But one of the most beautiful things which happened over a period of time, that I was awarded by IBM the best salesperson. That particular year, I managed to do roughly around 3 to 4 crores of revenue for the company. Imagine when I started, it was 1 to 1.5 lakh rupees barely a month, and then 3 to 4 crores as a team we were able to generate because of all the learnings, because of all the development, because of all the insights which I got over a period of time. That's the reason why you should invest in your employees, my friends. To enable you to have an organization-wide learning, we at SimuRise have now launched a blended learning journey. A blended learning journey which is a combination of strategy games, game-based assessments, the entire masterclass which is using a very powerful methodology called play, learn and apply. And all of this can be deployed beautifully across your organization at junior, for your high potential, for your mid-level managers and mid-level team members. So my dear friends, if you want to develop your employees' values, behavior, mindsets, skills over a period of time through a learning journey, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you get your team started on this beautiful blended learning journey.